After gunfight that broke out in Sekmai Nongthomban area bordering Kangpokpi district, a powerful explosion took place which damaged a concrete bridge along National Highway number 2. The blast occurred on the bridge connecting Saparmeina and Koubru Leikha at around 12:45 a.m. According to information received by SKTV News, the unknown miscreants exploded the powerful IED on the bridge, leaving 3 large holes with cracks on both ends. No casualties have been reported so far. However, Imphal-bound heavy vehicles have remained stranded at Mayankang, while some 2-wheelers and essential services were permitted to pass. Minutes after the explosion, police personnel rushed to the spot and cordon off the bridge. A case has been registered to initiate investigation for the blast.